Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Azli bin Jamdin with metric number DF2053. So, in this video, I would like to share my experiences throughout this whole semester of attending English Development and Engagement class. First of all, I would like to share a little bit of my journey in EDE class starting from the week after mid-sem break. We had our mid-sem break for a week and then we continue our learning journey starting with week 8. On this week, we had our face-to-face class. For this day, we were assigned to submit a peer assessment. The assessment is the one where we will rate our group members in terms of their behavior in the group. Do they participate enough for the group project? Do they contribute anything in our project and things like that? We will all have done the peer assessment for all of our 8 group members. Then, we continue our class session by continue our progress from the group project. On the following week, I continue doing progression for the group project. As everyone knows, my group are planning to do a documentary regarding the plastic pollution with the title Keep Plastic Free. That has been roaming around the world, especially our country, Malaysia. We have done some research about the plastic pollution itself, and some of my teammates have done a survey session with UTHM students asking their opinion about plastic pollution, and we also had giving out flyers of our topic to spread awareness regarding plastic pollution. As for me, I was assigned as the leader in videography, so I was responsible in making the documentary video regarding our topic. As everyone knows, every single job comes with a variety of challenge. In my personal opinion, my biggest challenge is in working out this project was when editing the documentary itself. The struggle to do the compilation of the surveys, syncing the subtitle with the background audios, and many more. It took days for me to produce the 15-minute long of a documentary. After all, it was a fun journey indeed. As in this vlog, I would like to spare a quick minute to briefly explain little details about our group project. When I say about plastic pollution, what is the first thing that comes out of our mind? So, plastic pollution is basically one of the most important environmental and human health issues that concern us today. Plastic is the third largest source of waste on the planet, and as global population and per capita consumption rise, so does the total amount of plastic waste. Malaysia has been the world top importer of plastic garbage since 2017 and monitors global trend in both the overall output of plastic waste and the use of single-use plastic. Next, I will explain about what factor leading to this kind of pollution. First and foremost, improper disposal of plastic waste. You must have heard that plastic lasts for a long time. Hence, it is not easy to collect this material. The landfill of plastic disposal continues to release harmful toxins in the surrounding and cause plastic pollution throughout the area. If you try to burn plastic to decompose, it will cause more severe damage to the land, air and water. Secondly, low rate of decomposition. The sad reality of the environment is that plastic takes 100 years to decompose regardless of the fact that decomposition is required to maintain environmental balance. This is the cause of the massive amount of plastic that now surround the entire surface of the earth. Generally, plastic is cheap and affordable. This might be how the uses of plastic in this world are innumerable. Plastic is quite affordable not only to manufacture but also for the use of consumer. You will find that every single product of our daily use is made up of plastic material. Plastic is undoubtedly a cheaper material, but it causes plastic pollution which can damage our present and our future too. Furthermore, the failure to recycle or upcycle most of the plastic are discarded after single use. Most plastic, if used correctly and carefully, can be reused several times. It can also be repurposed for different uses. Not recycling or upcycling plastic creates unwanted demand for new plastic. When there is a factor, there must become the consequences along with it. Firstly, plastic pollution is harm to wildlife. Plastic pollution in the ocean has a devastating impact on marine life and ecosystem. The most obvious one being the damaged plastic item caused to animals when they come into contact with or ingest them, which include suffocation, entanglement, laceration, infection, and internal injuries. It can also cause climate change. Plastic pollution and climate change are two sides of the same coin. Plastic production, as it is created from fossil fuels, highly contributed to the climate crisis. Moreover, when plastic waste is incinerated, it releases carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, increasing emission and worsening the global warming. Since the plastic is harmful to wildlife, it is also harmful to the human. Since microplastics have now become the part of the food chain and have been found everywhere, in drinking water, salt, and even in the soil where we grow our vegetables. These materials are carcinogenic and can affect the body endocrine system, causing developmental, neurological, reproductive, and immune disorder. Moving on to the last part, it was our presentation the day for our final group project. Our group project was titled to present about keep plastic free. For the presentation, we only required to show the documentary video in our online class in front of our lecturer and our fellow classmates. The documentary video that we made was a 50-minute long. After the video has been displayed, there was an interview session. After all, our documentary has been complemented but still need to be improved as it is quite too long. After that, we proceed to take a look at other groups' presentation, and it was fun to see the creative work from the others. I guess that is all from me. See you in when I see you. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.